Well guys, so now let's have a look at the Envit paint tool. So go to distribution and here you have the paint mask. So yes, it's checked by default but not enabled. Simply, let's start with this one. You just click and that will open you the paint mask. Nothing will change, it just open you the paint mask. As by default everything is filled, it will set you in black, which means you can directly paint. How it works, it's pretty simple. Here you have the radius, the size of your brush. Okay, if you want, you can set here precisely. Or of course, you can use the shortcut. Okay, by default, I think it's B, but you can use a custom one. I give you here a little helps button you can open, and you will have some helps for custom correctly the paint mask. Firstly, in Hotkeys editor, I give you the correct name here. You will find where to set a custom hotkeys for radius. Okay, so I need to be here. I put N, middle mouse button, and you will have this radius. So with this button, you can set from you see it's not updating in real time. So here I'm at this value. If I hit here, that will just get your radius value. Okay, after, if you want, like me, I custom the color of the pen tool. Okay, because I don't like the purple Maya by default one, so I choose a green for Envit. Same thing, everything is explained here, pretty simple. And last thing, be sure this is unchecked. Otherwise, so in fact, I use Maya Pen Vertex tool. So go to Mesh Display, Pen Vertex tool, open the option box. Okay, so if you need more, you can use this one. And in display, you be sure to have automatic vertex color display uncheck. Okay, as explained here. Otherwise, that will cause problem with displaying color. That will display automatically this like this. Here, this button is to show or hide the map, the mask map you're painting. Here, it's simply two brush, a soft and a hard one. So if I use the soft one, as you can see, it paints really softly. The hard one is harder. And here is the smooth brush that will just smooth the border of your painting. Okay. Here, what are these three icons? It's just to fill or empty. The first one is empty. When you click, that will empty all your surfaces. And now you are in adding mode. Okay, this one will fill everything and you are in subtractive mode. Really simple. Notice when you hit one or another, it will automatically set your pen tool on the opposite or on the right color. This way you don't have to care about anything, just paint. I will enable this. Okay, so if I want to add here, and the middle one is halved, so 50%. So here you choose the color you want, if you want to start at half. And it's the same here. It's a shortcut. For example, when you create your Envit, you're here, but you want to start with empty surfaces because you just want to add, you can directly open the tool with empty. It's a kind of quick shortcut, and you can start immediately to paint. It's pretty all. Here is opacity, pretty simple, color of course, and some tool tips as we show to see, inspect the vertex color map. Be careful about this one, really things to disable the display before to close, otherwise you will close and it will keep, and it's can be problematic for you. So yes, disable this one. Here also you can have the paint mask open, but if you change the tool, select something or what, you lose the paint. So you can of course click here or just click here to go back to the paint tool. Okay, here is for display or hide your wireframe while you painting. Here is for activated or deactivated the tablet pressure. Here to activate or not the cursor. If you want, you can disable or enable, pretty simple. Here the help. And the last one can be pretty helpful. So yes, as you know, for now, Anvit don't support texture file, but you can cheat a bit by importing grayscale texture, and it will convert it to a vertex. Of course, you are limited to the density of your surfaces, which means here it will import and apply the texture, but will add 1 pixel by vertex, so it's quite limited in resolution, but that can work. I will import a file, a checker, and you still can have a great effect. It's enough for environment. I think it can be really interesting.